Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer ES Sedan, stock reference number 5236. The shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 10th month 2015. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.